people, and then it's time to go home. The cockroaches have had it looks like they've been playing footy in here. Ooh-wah. Anyway. They've been disturbed. I wanted to cut it tonight before I go home, and then it'll be dry. I'll trim that down a little. Then it can dry out. I'll sweep the dust out in the morning. There you have it, folks. I'll do those side bits in the morning. You don't need to buy a pre-made niche. That's just throwing money away. DIY. Trim it, make it yourself. I'll bog up those, around those, tomorrow when I'm waterproofing, and we're laughing. It's been a good day, stripped out. I'll waterproof it all tomorrow, and then I'll lay the floor, what's today, Wednesday, waterproof it Thursday, lay the floor Friday. And then it's the weekend. See ya. Bye.